Imagine a world where you never, ever get sick. No flu, no infections, not even a sniffle. Sounds like an absolute dream, right? Well, scientists are flirting with a wild idea. Editing our DNA to give us the unstoppable, hyperactive immune system of our ancient ancestors. Our ancestors didn't have antibiotics, vaccines, or hand sanitizer. They lived in mud, drank dirty river water, and ate raw meat. Yet their immune systems were absolute tanks, built to crush deadly prehistoric pathogens on sight. Today, our modern super clean lifestyle has made our immune cells kind of lazy, leaving us vulnerable. So what if we use modern genetic tech to flip the switch? What if we upgrade your body with a prehistoric grade super immune system? It sounds like the ultimate human cheat code. But messing with your body's internal army comes with a terrifying catch. Because a weapon that powerful always needs something to fight. To understand why we're even talking about an upgrade, we have to look at how soft our modern lives have become. In the grand timeline of humanity, we basically broke the system. We invented soap, water filters, and sterile hospitals. And honestly, it's been great for keeping us alive. But our immune system? It's kind of bored out of its mind. Your immune cells are like an elite military force that's been sitting on a couch eating chips for the last 50 years. In a single day, an ancient human encountered more bacteria and parasites than you will probably meet in an entire year. Their immune system was constantly active, working 24/7 like a high-tech firewall. Because our modern environment is so incredibly clean, our immune cells don't get the training they need. They're itching for a fight. And when an army gets that bored, things start to go sideways. Since our modern body's defense force has no real villains to fight anymore, it has started doing something incredibly dangerous. It's turning its weapons on a totally unexpected target. Welcome to the Hygiene Hypothesis. It turns out, keeping everything squeaky clean has a massive backfire effect. When your immune cells don't have deadly parasites or ancient plagues to hunt down, they start getting hyper-paranoid. They look at a harmless piece of peanut dust or some flower pollen and go, "Yo, that looks like a bioweapon. Open fire." That is literally what an allergy is, a bored immune system throwing a massive temper tantrum over absolutely nothing. Autoimmune diseases like Crohn's, multiple sclerosis, and severe allergies have skyrocketed by over 300% in developed, super sterile countries over the last few decades. Meanwhile, in rural areas where kids play in the dirt with animals, these diseases barely even exist. Our bodies are literally crying out for the dirty, chaotic environments of the past. So, the sci-fi solution seems obvious. Let's just genetically engineer a smart, super immune system that knows exactly what to attack. But bringing back that ancient, heavy-duty DNA isn't as simple as downloading a software update. Because our ancestors' secret weapon wasn't actually human at all. Let's say we go full sci-fi. We use CRISPR gene editing to supercharge those ancient Neanderthal genes. We crank your immune system up to an 11. You are now officially immune to every known virus on Earth. You are a biological god. Except there's a massive catch. The primary weapon of a super immune system is inflammation. When your body detects a threat, it floods the area with heat, blood, and destructive chemicals to burn the invader alive. In the Stone Age, that high-octane inflammation saved your life if a wolf bit your arm. It was a short, violent burst of biological warfare. If you keep that ancient, fiery response turned on inside a modern body, it doesn't just kill viruses, it slowly cooks your organs. Chronic, unchecked inflammation is the hidden root cause behind heart disease, Alzheimer's, and rapid cellular aging. By building an unstoppable shield against infections, we might accidentally turn our own bodies into a ticking time bomb of accelerated aging. You wouldn't die of the flu, but you might age twice as fast. So if cranking up our internal army kills us from the inside, scientists had to look at a completely mind-bending alternative. What if the key to a perfect immune system isn't more weapons, but a very weird peace treaty? To build a true, safe superimmune system, modern science is realizing we don't need more aggressive fighter cells. We need better managers. And those managers live inside your gut. We call it the microbiome. It's a massive ecosystem of trillions of bacteria living inside you right now. Ancient humans had a microbiome that looked like a rich, thriving rainforest because they ate hundreds of different wild plants, roots, and soils. Our modern microbiome looks like a paved parking lot. We eat the same ultra-processed foods every day, wiping out the good bacteria that act as the diplomatic peacekeepers of our immune system. Over 70% of your body's entire immune system is located directly inside your gut wall. The bacteria living there literally whisper to your white blood cells, telling them when to chill out and when to attack. When you destroy your gut health, your immune system loses its mind and starts attacking your own body. The real superimmune system of our ancestors wasn't just about raw power. It was a perfectly balanced partnership with nature. This realization changes the entire game. We don't need to genetically rewrite our species to survive the future. We just need to change how we look at our past. To walks onto the grass, the sun. Flipping the genetic switch to build a sci-fi superimmune system sounds awesome on paper, but nature spent millions of years fine-tuning our bodies. If we turn our immune cells into unstoppable super soldiers without giving them a real war to fight, they will simply destroy the house they are meant to protect. We don't need to genetically become Neanderthals again. We just need to stop treating the natural world like an enemy, playing in the dirt, eating a wild, diverse diet, and embracing a little bit of nature's chaos isn't dirty. It's the vital training data our bodies desperately need. The ultimate shield against the diseases of tomorrow isn't an over-engineered biological weapon. It's the ancient balance we left behind.